We've all enjoyed music from the world's #1 pop diva, Whitney Houston. Well, she's back, and she's using her golden voice to bring us some great American classics with her double CD set, Whitney Screws Up the Classics.
What the worms feel now is rose, Persian rose. Oh, yeah.
Listen as Whitney screws up your favorite classics over and over again.
Who told you to stop the music? Who told you to stop? Bitch, who's telling you to stop? AJ. Tell him Bobby's college fund is not for bail. I'm not playing.
Smoking on the dock of the bay. Watching my time but roll away. I'm just smoking on the dock of the bay. Getting high.
You would think she would quit. Oh, but no, not Whitney. She's high, and we've recorded her on her double CD collection. Listen as she screws up one song after another.
I need to have no baby. I need to get off this touring crap. Y'all messed up. Y'all,
I said fix it. Come on, let's go. That's right. Come on, y'all. That's good. I'm ready. Who's messing with me?
something over that rainbow. Oh Lord, where little bluebirds, they go flying high. Why? Because I will always love you. 'Cause the fish don't fry in the kitchen.
Even her pimp, I mean her husband, gets into the act.
Like sweet mountain dew, dabba-dabba-doo. Like plain sea, you like the Limburger cheese.
I dedicate my life. I love apple pie. It was just a need to play with my feet.
Wait, baby, I don't feel good. Nigga need hit.
Bobby, you ain't had a hit in 10 years.
Well, I'm about to have one right now. Girl, move out the way.
we in the
Don't
middle
you
of
ever touch my body.
No.
Girl, what's wrong with you?
Order now to get your copy of Whitney Houston Screws Up the Classics.
Let's do this again. Come on, y'all. Come on,
All
y'all. Don't
proceeds
mess
will
with
go
my
to the
time.
Bobby Brown Baby Mama
Gotta go
Fund.
back to Jersey. Don't mess with my time. I got a baby. Let's go. Let's go.
You know, you really are